Will I get blackballed for filing a claim for my maritime injury? I'm Matt Schaefer. I'm a board certified lawyer specializing in maritime injury cases. In fact, I've represented thousands of maritime workers over the last 35 years. And the question that I get most from prospective new clients is whether or not they will get blackballed if they file a claim for their injury. And they're very worried about this. And the simple answer is absolutely not. There's two good reasons I can tell you about that. Most seamen have 2, 3, 4, 5 injuries during their career. This is very, very difficult, hard, laborious work. And people get hurt. And they hire a lawyer, the lawyer works up their case, settles their case, and then they go back to work. Second reason is a maritime employer who refused to hire a worker that had ever been injured, he couldn't crew one boat because there's so many workers out there that have injuries. Let me give you an example. I represented a fellow named Jorge. The first time in 2006 he had an eye injury. He hired me, I worked up his case, and we settled it. He went back to work. 4 or 5 years later, he called me up. He had a back injury, a much more significant injury, and we worked his case up and settled it for a lot of money. Nevertheless, he wanted to go back to work and did. Then he hurt his knee. He called me again 2 years later. He's got a knee injury. Same thing. We represented him, got him a settlement, and he went back to work. That's just proof positive that there's no blackball system in place that keeps injured maritime workers from pursuing their rights. I'm Matt Schaefer. I'm happy to answer any of your questions about maritime law. Give me a call.